And today's problem comes straight from your requests. Ready for this?
Get me with it.
What percentage is 15 of 75? Seemed like a lot of you were struggling with this one.
Percentages. They can be a little tricky. But don't worry. We're going to demystify them today. Make them crystal clear.
All right, so let's jump right in. I remember struggling with percentages back in school. Where do we even start with a problem like this?
Well, the foundation is understanding the relationship between the part and the whole.
Okay, hold on. Part and whole.
Yeah. Think of it like a pizza, right? You've got the whole pizza, that's your whole, and then you've got individual slices. Those are your parts.
Okay, I'm seeing where you're going with this.
So in our problem, we're trying to figure out what portion 15 represents out of the total, which is 75.
So 15 is like one of our pizza slices.
Exactly. 15 is our part, and 75 is the whole pie.
Gotcha. So how do we figure out what percentage that slice represents?
All right, here's the trick. First step, divide the part by the whole. So 15 divided by 75.
Okay, so I grab my calculator and I get 0.2 decimals. Why do we always have to deal with decimals?
I know, they can be a bit intimidating, but think of the decimal as a sort of in-between step. 0.2 represents the proportion or ratio that 15 has compared to 75. It's like saying 15 is 0.2 times the size of 75.
Okay. I kind of get it, but how do we go from this decimal to an actual percentage?
Easy peasy. To get that percentage we're all familiar with, we just multiply our decimal, that 0.2 by 100. It's like magic.
Multiply by 100. Got it.
Wow.
So that gives us 20/20. So 15 is 20% of 75?
You nailed it. See, percentages aren't so scary after all.
Okay, that makes a lot more sense. So basically, you divide the part by the whole and then multiply by 100. It's like a little recipe for percentages.
Absolutely. And the best part is, once you understand this basic concept, you can apply it to so many real-life situations.
Oh yeah, for sure. Like figuring out discounts at the store, tips at a restaurant, or even understanding those stats in sports.
Exactly. It pops up everywhere. It can even help you analyze data at work, understand election results, or even figure out the nutritional content of your food.
Wow. I never realized how powerful percentages could be. You really opened my eyes today.
Glad to hear it. So
Yeah.
next time you encounter a percentage problem, just remember, identify the part, identify the whole, divide, and multiply.
Part, whole, divide, multiply. I'm going to write that down. Thanks for breaking it all down for us.
Anytime.
And for our listeners at home, think about this. Where else do you see percentages pop up in your daily life? Maybe it'll surprise you just how often they're around. Until next time.